Hey, everybody. You know who it is. It's the Master Stylist. And today I'm doing something that's different. I got requested, I, this style has been requested, sorry, quite a few times, but nobody really has had the courage to do it. So today, y'all, we kind of doing this together. Y'all learning with me. Um, it's my first time doing this style, but I wanted to record it because I thought it was pretty cool. Not one of my favorites, but I think if I do it again, I think I like it. I think I should have framed the face a little bit more, but overall, it's different. So we're starting with my main mint foam, available at mainlifestudio.com. And today I'm gonna wave her hair using the two comb method instead of the finger and comb, because she is keeping her waves in. I'm not curling them or combing them out or anything. So I want to make sure they're in there good, and this way is faster to me. This is the way I originally learned. All of our original finger wavers out there, y'all know about the two comb method. And just always, you want to give your style the little features, little sideburns, little things like that. And I did speed the video up just a little bit, but we're still we're doing like C motions and not really like the S the way they taught us in school. So y'all trying to get these videos back up. They can't hold a real girl down. Still sad about my videos, but we gonna get through this. So excuse my camera, it's trying to focus on me instead of the client. But at this point, you've seen finger waves like a million times. So really, you just do it, the way you do them. So we're just gonna go. I'm gonna give her like some little baby hairs or whatever across the front. And then mold it up, and she's gonna go under the dryer. So now that she is dry, we're gonna go ahead and start with the ponytail. And it's real simple, rubber band and spritz it. I'm using New Expression Spritz and Shine. So at first, um, I had the ponytail kind of far back, but after I put it in and everything, I kind of realized that it was too far back. So I brought it up some. And that's when I take it off and do it over. So I don't know what kind of hair this was. She colored it herself, the client did, and she just brought it to me like it was, so I'm not sure. But I believe it was like a 14-inch. And so for the top, we're just doing like a messy bun. I'm just gluing it all the way around. So I'm just combing it all out and basically just doing a messy bun. And so she asked me if she should let it hang or do the bun. I said the bun because um, all of the pictures that I've seen, um, it was with a bun. So that I'm using Sebastian holding spray. So after she got done, as you can see, she ended up going home and taking the bun out and wearing it down, and I actually liked it better down. So if you guys enjoy this video, or even if you don't, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.